to my channel. I'm Jan. Today is going to be a little bit different video. It's not about travel and stuff. I was thinking to make this video especially for some people are asking me actually how can I afford my travels, and some people are like, you know, leaving the comments under my videos, and when I'm saying like or chatting to some people saying, oh, you should go to see this country, you should go and do this, you should go and do that, and the guys are like telling me, well, I don't have like, you know, I don't have much money to do that. And so I'm just saying, well, you know, you can always do something and have some extra money, you know, to do all these things. So that's why I decided to make this video, and I probably will make some few videos about how I actually make some money from the internet. So I think I already told in my previous video somewhere that you know, that I travel, and we travel together with my husband, and our main earnings are now from the internet. Yes, before we used to be just like everybody else. You know, when I came to England, I used to work normal work, and I was sometimes I was working 12 hours a day, sometimes it's 9 till 5. Yes, I had to work, and then just one day I decided, like, you know what, I really want to go and see world, and I want to do something, you know, in my life, something interesting. I don't want to wait until I will go on my, like, you know, become pensioner and I'll start travel the world. So we kind of started to look on the internet and for different opportunities. And to be honest, yes, we tried different stuff. I was like doing like, you know, clicks and web surfing and some surveys, answering the questions, and just different stuff. Then we were going to different seminars where they were teaching you how to, like, you know, how to earn from the internet, how you can like create your own product, how you can have your own blog, your own site, or anything else. And I'm going to be honest with you that all these tips are really nice, and like your own site or blog, you know, I have a blog, but I don't make a lot of money out of it. Yes, I make some money out of it, but it's not the money I can travel on, you know, or live on, like to leave my main job and just to earn from that. No, because those types of earnings, like having your own site and sell something on the internet, it takes lots of time. It just takes all your time. And to be honest, I didn't really want to, again, you know, like just to leave my normal job and work from the internet and just like be busy all the time, like again, like 12 hours a day or even more. I wanted something which would give me a bit more freedom, so I can travel and earn at the same time. So the only method which works for me, and is working still now, is Forex. Well, yeah, many of you might say, okay, Forex again, you know, like so many people saying about it, there's so much information about it in the internet. Yes, it is a lot of information, and it really works for me. I'm not going to promise you, and I'm not going to say like many people do, like you know, just give me this whatever, like $1,000 or even $100, and at the end of the month you're going to have 100,000 or even 1,000,000 in your account. No, I'm not going to say you that, because it's not going to happen. Honestly, if you are just a beginner, you know, it's not going to happen. So I'm going to be really honest with you, and in this video I just want to tell you that yes, many years ago when I started all of this, I made $500 from nothing. I didn't invest anything, and I made $500 by myself. I haven't finished any financial institutes or universities, and nobody taught me how to do it and what to do. I just taught myself. Everything I learned is from the books. And right now, even I don't even know half of the, you know, like the names in Forex, like strategies or anything like really deep. I don't know. All I know is how to sell, how to buy, and well, to make profit, of course, and just using one simple strategy. I'll tell you about the strategy because it really works. It works for me, and I will never tell anything to anyone. You will never find anything, any of my videos or anything like saying anything which I never tried by myself. So I know it works, and I will tell you how it works. But in this video, I wanted to make this like little introduction video for you to say that really you can do it. I mean, I did it. So, and I'm just like simple Russian girl, you know, without any special education or anything like financial education. I finished university, but it has nothing to do with numbers. And to be honest, I don't really like numbers, but you know, kind of the life turns the way you like, you know, I have to work with numbers. Now I do. So what did I did when I was living in the UK, mostly permanently. I was looking at different strategies, like Forex strategies, right? And I was looking at one strategy which kind of started to work for me. I'm just going to be honest with you with that whatever strategies you will use on the internet, if you will just stick to one strategy without changing anything, it will never work, because you really need to understand market, at least, well, a little bit. Many people selling robots and automatic system, it's EAs, you might know about it. Well, they might work, they might not work. Some of them will probably work at the beginning when you start to use them, because they all like been tested on the back tests, most of them, or even in real time. But the market is moving, so in the future, wherever you like settings you put, they might not work, because in the past it was moving, the market moved different way. It's like many years ago when I started, it was really quiet, and slowly, like going to these days, you know, like this, we never know what's going to happen with euro. It's like jumps and going up and up, and then we don't know what's going to happen with dollars. So it's like moving, and it's like really like more aggressive now than it was like many years ago. So you always have to look at the market and make some changes, and then it will work for you. Well, it works for me. So how I did, so of course I was trying some strategies, and then one of the companies in the UK, they were offering just free money, you know, they just gave, like, it was in pounds, like about 70 pounds or something, so it's about like what, 80, $90 or something, and it's just, it was free money, the real free money. It wasn't even demo account, it was real account, but it's like, oh yes, like I want this money out, because before I moved to England, my monthly earning was only $300, so it's like, isn't like $80 or $90 or something. It was like, I don't know, I have to work like a week or something, or a week and a half in my hometown to get this money. So I was like really serious about it, to get it back, to have it in my pocket. So I was treated it like really like seriously. So first of all, when you are starting to trade, you just like think, oh, like yes, I'm going to like, you know, now to like do this and do that. And probably most of you will think like, okay, it's like $80, like I will try to trade like, I don't know, like 40, like 80, like put $40, so like trade $40, so you make that $40. Well, no, you can't do this really. So in trading, you can only risk so much money of your account. And I wasn't even risking too much, but it was like really small lots. I think I was trading like about $1 or something, but no more, because it was a very small account. But I think I made my first $500. Well, it was in pounds, about like 400 something pounds. I made it in about 3 months, and I was like really proud of myself. Yeah, because it was real. I mean, you know, like I was watching all these like different videos, reading different books on the internet, and it's like seems to be like so hard from one thing, and I thought it will not work for me, you know. It's like I was thinking like maybe yes, maybe no, but it did work. I did really make those $500 for real. Unfortunately, I can't prove it to you, because it was many years ago, and I never thought that I'm going to make that video, just because I want to, you know, to do some like motivations for you, because I want you to know that if I could make it, you can do it too. Because honestly, I don't wanna, it's like really makes me upset to read all this you know, comments and like all those people who saying, hey, they would love to do this and they would love to do that, they just don't know where to get those extra money. But you know, Forex can be the answer for you. It can help you, maybe, no, don't leave you like job, but maybe it would be just some extra money for you every month, you know, some, or maybe then you decide to actually do it more often. it's all up to you. But really, that strategy which I was trading, no, I wasn't sitting every day, you know, like all day, I would say. Yes, I was trading mostly every day, but wasn't watching the screen all day, because what I've started to do is trading news, financial news. So the most the pair which I was trading was Euro USD, and of course the main news I was interested in news about US and the news about Europe. But the main news probably, well, of course, were about US back then. Now it's like these days, it's like whatever news happens in Europe or news in US, everything moves it. Many years ago, mostly only US news were moving, and still, so when the news will just like few times a month, those news, so I was making money on it, and then I was trying to move. Probably those of you who actually already trades a lot and knows many strategies, you probably know about the strategy, you probably use it already. And for those of you who doesn't know what I'm talking about, I will make the video. Of course, I will make the video, I will show you that strategy because I want to share it with you and I want you to make those money, extra money which you really need. And I know the strategy works. I will not be saying 100% because yes, sometimes you might lose, sometimes you might not, but most of the time it makes the money. I know, I tried it honestly. And but you never know what can happen with the market. We never know, we can't predict anything in these days, unfortunately. So that's why I can't guarantee 100%. I'll show you how it works, I'll show you some proof that I've been trading, and you'll decide if you want to try it or not. But you can try with just a small loss, just like I did back then many years ago, when I was probably the same as you, thinking, oh, so much stuff going on, so many people saying about it. But you just have to try it just a little bit and see how it works. It might work for you and you won't just, you know, do it all the time. Who knows? But as I said, I only was trading few times on the news, few times a month. And then I wanted a little bit more, of course, but I didn't want to watch the screen all day. Honestly, in that strategy, you don't have to watch your screen all day. If you don't want, you don't want. You will not watch it. But I worked it out a bit, and of course through the years it's a bit changing, it's changing. But back then it was working one way, and I used it mostly also every day, only one trade a day, and news trades, and that's it. And that's how I made it, from nothing to up to $500 I made, without investing anything. So I was like really glad. I was so, well, I wasn't glad, I was happy, you know, $500. That was a lot from nothing, you know, it wasn't my money. I actually took money out afterwards and move on. So why did I move on is because I will not, don't want to do any videos and waste your time and like my time, you know, to explaining to you what's the Forex exchange and all those like deep knowledge about like leverage and the brokerage and how it happens, how this all works, because it's all easy. You can have a look on the internet, and I'm going to tell you right now I use brokerage, which is Talinex, and it's a European brokerage, and the good thing about it is it accepts US clients and has really good conditions there, so you can check it out. But they have those free lessons which you can look at if you are completely new to it. So you just go online, there is a link there, so just go through that link and have a look at those free lessons. Also, so the lessons there, first few lessons you can just watch without registration, then you have to register, but don't be like worry about anything because it's all free, you don't need to pay anything, you just like register and just watch those videos. So I don't have to tell you all this, you know, stuff. Really all what you need to know is about it is to just understand how to make the trades, how to buy, how to sell, how to place the trades, and of course you need to know about the spread to understand it, because if you buy at one price right at this moment, you can't sell it at the same price, so it's always going to be spread. You have to understand that, so that's why I want you to have a look at the free lessons and free videos before we will move on to my strategy, and which you will find out about next videos. Also, you know, the trading is not just it's not just Forex trading, because I don't usually just stop on like one thing, you know. Right now is everybody talking about bitcoins and like binary options, and of course I look at all of this right now too, which I will be telling you about it also later. I didn't try bitcoins binary options yet, but I already trying Bitcoin. So I already have I'm doing it on automatic system. It trades for me. I don't do anything about it, but I'll make the video and I'll show you the results, because I've already been testing it for a few months, and just want to show you how it works. But the good thing about it is that well, I think you know about Bitcoins, maybe you heard about it. It's like, I think it's like nobody can control the Bitcoin, so everybody really interested about it, and it might be like going to be big, huge soon. It's actually already getting really big. Interesting thing is, like, if you decide to like go to Tallinex, to that brokerage, as I already have account with them and I already trade with them. Well, they already have that option Bitcoins, but I didn't try it with Tallinex yet. I will show you with a different brokerage, but it's a bit hard to go to the other brokerage, but I'll show it to you all. So, but in Tallinex you will be able to trade Bitcoins too, so that's like really good thing about it. So go and check it out for yourself. So I will be showing you all these interesting things, I think, which does actually make money and help you, help me to travel and do the stuff. So I hope you really like this, and so don't miss the new episodes. There will be new videos about my strategy, Forex strategy, then about Bitcoins, and well, we'll see about the binary options, if I will be like doing this or not. But I want to show you all these videos. I decided to do it now before New Year, you know, it's the end of the year, so I wanted to make something for you. I don't know, maybe like some motivational, so you like understand this really, there is something there you can do, and which actually works, and you can learn about it, and then the new year starts, maybe you'll try it, you know, it will be like a new start for you, something new in your life, which, you know, hopefully it will help you, like, you know, to make some, you know, some money, and gives you a bit of the freedom, like, to buy and do what you want. And maybe you'll go and visit all those countries, the ones I'm showing you on my channel. I hope so. I really hope. I really would love you guys to go and see all these places where I went, because, you know, when you see it in the videos, you can't really show it like that much when you are actually in the place. It's all different. It feels so different. It's like, it's great. So please subscribe. Don't miss my new episodes, and I hope to see you later. Bye everyone. Bye.